Hello learners, welcome to your very own channel Success Mantra. This is Adarsh Vili and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is a Story of an Hour by Kate Coppens. Learners, you will find this video different from the previous videos because here I have used the text templates to explain the chapter very clearly. So let's see the starting of the chapter. We are going to discuss the following topics. First we will discuss about the story, then we will discuss the title, then we will discuss the theme, then we will discuss the message, and then after the message we will discuss the setting and character and also the summary of the story, that is the story of an hour. The story of an hour focuses on the idea that a person may experience drastic change in a short span of time. It shows how, in a small hour, a supposed death of a person reveals the true character of his wife and how it causes her death. Of joy or of grief, we do not know exactly. So, we can say over here that when the lady receives the news of her husband's death, she is very excited and she experiences the new feeling. But later on, this news becomes the cause of her death. The title of the story is quite appropriate. The story of an hour gives us the knowledge that time is very powerful. Sometimes time can change everything. The title of the story also tells us that all the events take place in a short span of time, that is within an hour. This title is quite appropriate because it tells us about the elasticity and flexibility of time. Thus, the title connects us to the main theme of the story and it is both apt and suggestive. The theme of the story of an hour, the story has three valuable points which we can take as the theme of the story. First, we see the value of time, that time influences the life of human being. The second theme can be that death is very powerful, and the third theme is the freedom of body and soul. So, in the beginning, we see that time is very influential in human life. It changes the life of Mrs. Mallard in a brief period of an hour. The news of her husband's death make her realize a feeling of freedom. However, her dreams soon get shattered as her dead husband comes back. Death is very powerful. Sometimes the news of a loved one's death can be lethal, but at the same time, if the person comes back alive, it can be shocking. It is joyful dream is shattered. Suddenly, like in case of Mrs. Mallard, who was unhappy about her married life and was realizing a freedom of body and soul. And in this way, when her dreams were shattered, she finally leads to death. The story does not contain any clear message. We can only understand the message from the way the story is worked out. The message is that no one should try to impose his or her will on anyone else. It leads to much complication in life. Why does a young lady like Mrs. Mallard has a heart trouble? Possibly it is due to her repression in married life, where the will of her husband is supreme. The death of her husband sent Mrs. Mallard into a dream world of the coming freedom. So, we should try to value other person's individuality and let him or her have freedom. If we do that, we are likely to save ourselves and others from trouble. The story of an hour has a very simple setting. The story takes place in the house of Mrs. and Mr. Brentley Mallard. Mrs. Mallard's room is on the first floor. Most of the brooding take place in the room itself, and where she sits on a comfortable chair There is an open square before the house, and it is the beginning of spring, and the top of the trees are all equated with new spring of life. The, the rain is just fallen, and the delicious breath of rain is in the air. The street below, we can hear the paddlers moving and selling their wares. Their cries can easily be heard, and the twittering of the sparrows in the eaves can also be heard. Most of the action which is purely mental take place here. The story of an hour is narrated by a third person who is not present in the scene, or he is omniscient narrator. It moves from the present to future. However, the moment is very limited. Everything happens in a brief period of an hour. The way the author builds up suspense for a surprise ending is brilliant and deserves a praise. There are only two characters in the story. The first character is that of Mrs. Mallard. Her full name is Mrs. Brentley Mallard. She is the central character in the story. She remains in focus throughout, whereas the other characters are only peripherals as they are mere device to reveal her character. We see that Mrs. Mallard is a young, pretty, and a complex character. She has a dream of freedom. Mrs. Mallard is also a complex character. Although she is saddened by her husband's death, who has always loved her, once she is alone in her room, she seems terrified of some strange feeling, and she feels very light and happy because she has experienced a new feeling, and that is the feeling of freedom. So this way we can say that she is a complex character. The another character in the story is that of Josephine, who is sister of Mrs. Mallard. Though she is not the central character of the story, but she has played her part very well. Mrs. Mallard's sister, she seems to be very loving and caring. She is aware of Mrs. Mallard's weakness of heart, so she does not reveal the news. All of a sudden, but she gently reveals the news of her husband's death. She sits down with her sister and consoles her gently. So Josephine consoles her gently and takes her in her arms to console her. So with this, we come to the end of this part of the video, and in the next part we are going to discuss the whole chapter in detail. And if you have doubt, you can comment me on the comment section. Do like and subscribe my videos, and wait for the part 2 of this chapter, which will be released very soon.